Introducing our exclusive Fingerprint Micarta, a revolutionary material that brings unique personality to every knife handle. Each piece tells its own story through intricate, flowing patterns that mirror the distinctive whorls and ridges of a human fingerprint. Meticulously crafted layer by layer, our Fingerprint Micarta showcases mesmerizing concentric patterns and rich, deep tones. The emerald green variant displayed here demonstrates the exceptional detail and organic flow that makes each piece truly one of a kind. The natural colored base material creates striking contrast, highlighting every curve and contour. Transform your custom knives into personal masterpieces with our Fingerprint Micarta. The material's durability meets the demands of daily use while offering unparalleled aesthetic appeal. Whether you're crafting hunting knives, chef's knives, or collector's pieces, this distinctive handle material sets your work apart. Available in an array of captivating colors, each variant maintains the signature fingerprint pattern while allowing you to match your client's vision perfectly. From classic earth tones to bold, vibrant hues, there's a perfect match for every blade style. Our Fingerprint Micarta isn't just a handle material, it's a statement of individuality. Each knife becomes a unique piece of functional art, carrying the maker's signature touch through this innovative material. The textured surface provides excellent grip while the layered construction ensures long-lasting durability. Make your next custom knife truly unforgettable with Fingerprint Micarta, where nature's most unique pattern meets master craftsmanship. We understand that every knife maker has unique requirements. That's why we offer fully customizable solutions to match your specific needs. Simply message us with your desired colors, dimensions, and specifications, and our team will work closely with you to create the perfect Fingerprint Micarta for your next custom knife project. Let us help you add that extra layer of distinction to your masterpiece. Make your next custom knife truly unforgettable with Fingerprint Micarta, where nature's most unique patterns meet exceptional craftsmanship. Each handle showcases intricate, fingerprint-like swirls, creating a one-of-a-kind design that's both stunning and functional. Engineered for durability and style, Fingerprint Micarta transforms your knife into a true masterpiece, offering unparalleled beauty and performance. Stand out with a handle that's as unique as you are.